Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to edit XML files for FS22. Before making any modifications, it is absolutely essential to locate your game's save files and create a complete backup. This simple step can save you a lot of frustration if something goes wrong. Always use a reliable plain text editor, like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code, to ensure proper formatting and prevent corruption of your files. One common edit is adjusting your in-game money. You can find the money tag within your save game XML and simply change the numerical value. For vehicles, look for capacity attributes to increase storage. You might also want to modify fill type entries to customize what your trailers can carry. Remember, small, precise changes are best to avoid unexpected issues. Understanding the XML structure is key. Think of it like a family tree, with parent tags containing child tags. Each tag often has attributes, which are additional pieces of information defining its properties, like a color or a size. Pay close attention to opening and closing tags and ensure all quotation marks and brackets are correctly placed. Incorrect syntax will cause your game to crash. Always test your changes in small steps. Make one modification, save, and then launch the game to see if it works as expected. If you encounter any problems, immediately revert to your backup file. The FS22 modding community is a fantastic resource. Many experienced players can offer guidance on specific edits or troubleshooting common issues. Don't hesitate to ask for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.